Audit of inventory. If a company has inventory as an asset, the auditors will be conducting an audit of an inventory. Auditors shall be careful on completeness, verification, existence, and report accordingly. While performing audit, an auditor should be careful on the following things. First, generally physical verification of inventories needs to be done by company at reasonable intervals. Auditor is required to verify whether material discrepancies have been noticed on verification of inventories, and if so, whether they have been rectified in books of accounts. Second, check value of opening inventory with the values of closing entry as shown in the balance sheet. Third, observation of physical verification of inventory. Fourth, issue recorded inventory purchases with underlying documents such as purchase requisition, receiving report, purchase order, vendor invoice, and cancelled check or payment file. Fifth, check the valuation procedure followed by the company and its consistency. Sixth, in import of goods, when goods have reached custom warehouse but not the premises of the buyer, then such import has to be shown as purchases in the books of accounts. This is due to the accounting principle of substance over form. Substances goods have reached India and are about to reach premises of buyer, thus purchases to be shown.